So when we were talking, or when my parents were deciding to take admission for me in the school, my mom wanted me to take admission in English medium school. So whatever understanding she had at that point of time, that maybe English language will help me in the studies and in the career, that's what basic understanding she has. So she wanted me to take admission in English medium school, but my father was against that decision, and there was a very fair reason to it. And the reason was, my father used to be in shop all the day, and my mother didn't knew English that much. So my father's concern was, मेरी पढ़ाई कौन लेगा, मेरा होमवर्क कौन लेगा, सब इंग्लिश में होगा, you don't know English, मेरी पढ़ाई कौन लेगा. And I think that was a very fair reason. But my mother already had a solution for that. And she simply told him that she will go to tuitions. Tuition teacher will help her do the homework in English. And of course, my mom won in this argument or situation, I would say. And I finally got the admission in the English medium school. And this decision may have felt very small at that point of time. But now, if I see, if you are hearing me talking English, or I can read English, it's all because of her. If she wouldn't have taken that stand for me, I mean, I would have definitely learned English, but it would have become harder for me. And there's no offense to any language here. My only point is that, how she took decisions for me, or how she stood for me. So this incident is very special for me, and this stays with me forever. So I'm very, very grateful for that. And this is how I started being grateful to small or big things or decisions she took for me, which I didn't knew. And because I started to be grateful for each and everything, that energy in me started shifting. I started thinking positively about the situations. But while this was all happening, of course, things started shifting in me, the small, small things, but bigger things or some deeper level things were still the same. There was still some hurt inside me, still some frustration inside me for some situations. So that was still the same, because it's not that easy that we completely transition. So then actually things started changing for me when something interesting started to happen. I will tell you what started to happen. So whenever I used to go to my my mom's friend's house, or even my friend's house, or even somebody used to come to our house, after they are done discussing their important thing, or after they are done with their work, whenever they used to leave, they always used to praise about me. They always used to tell that, wow, you handle things so well, you're so responsible, and you're so calm and balanced. And I used to feel, initially I felt a little confused, because this is what I was waiting to hear, and this is what I'm hearing, but still I was not happy from inside. But then when this started happening repeatedly, and everybody started praising me, I started feeling happy. I started feeling good from inside, because those words were not just appreciating my work. I felt like they were appreciating who I am, or who I am becoming. And I used to very funnily tell to my mother that, देखो कितनी तारीफ करते हैं मेरी. And she used to easily say that, हाँ, it's good, अच्छी बात है. But when these things were happening, I can definitely tell you that this was happening for a reason, to give me my biggest realization. I was just sitting and thinking about something one day while all this was happening, and I was just remembering, and all these incidents were coming to my mind. And this thought has came very authentically to me, and this is not from somewhere else, this is directly from my heart. And this thought immediately struck me. And I'm sure after listening to this thought, there's going to be a bulb on moment for you right now. And that statement or thought is, I realized I am who I am because she is who she is. I'll say that again. I am who I am because she is who she is. And I'm just in love with this thought. Though sometimes our moms are not expressive towards us, but this is what happens. After this, I really started to realize that my mother was not ignoring me. She was giving me my independence. She was not emotionally distant, but she was emotionally balanced. And that's what I have also inherited. She never controlled me. She trusted me to make my own decisions. It's like she didn't hold the bicycle for me too long. She allowed me to balance myself, even if I felt few times. But she said, you balance on your own. You learn to balance on your own. And how can I forget that she has stood strongest in the toughest phase of our life without saying out loud, without making a lot of noise. She holded that quiet strength inside her. And I can definitely feel that same strength inside me. So the only thing today I want to really tell to all the daughters listening to this, if you are a daughter who has a mother like me, you are a special set of children for the God. I know it feels confusing sometimes, and you may also feel that thoda to clearly dikha do love kabhi to. But love is there, expression is different. Maybe they are not ignoring you or they are not leaving you. Love is not less. Please understand that. It's just that they are loving differently. So today, go and tell something to your mother that you have been always wanting to tell. It might feel awkward after a few seconds, but it will stay with her forever. Right after this video, I'm going to go and tell my mother what is that I've said in this video about her and how her journey has helped me become an independent human being. So I'm sure in some or the other way, you might have some reflections today. You might have had some bulb on moments today. And if this video made you reflect, just comment, I understand her now, or I'm trying to understand her now. That will help me understand that this is making a difference. So thank you so much for watching till the end. And thank you for hearing me out and giving me that privilege to come here and share my journey with my mother. Once again, a very happy Mother's Day to all the mothers, and a special note to the daughters that our relationship with our mothers is very, very special. Please nurture it.